You share ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Okay. What is the function group of simple question? Now, what is the function group of aldehydes?
CHO.
Very good. CHO. What ketones?
C double bond O.
Carboxylic acids?
COOH.
Common group in all these compounds, organic compounds. What is the common? What is the common thing you can observe?
Carbon and oxygen.
Yes, yes, correct. Who is that? May I know your name?
Mahalakshmi, sir.
Mahalakshmi, very good. What is the common in all this functional group?
Carbonyl group.
Carbonyl group. What is the function group of carbonyl group? C double bond.
C double bond O.
Yeah. C double bond. This is called as a, sorry, or generally called as a CO, C double bond O. This group is called as a carbonyl group. All these compounds are called as a carbonyl compounds. Aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids. Some more compounds are esters. What is the general formula of esters? RCOO or ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ carbonyl compound. Next acid chlorides. RCOCl. Okay. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು carbonyl compounds. Yeah. Then these are all carbonyl compounds, but now study ಮಾಡಿರೋದು only 3. ಯಾವುದು? Aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Okay. Yeah. Here we can discuss straight away this question and answer as and when required, and give extra or more information. Okay. Yes. Yes. First question. It is chapter aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. First one. Yeah. The distinguish. Correct? Huh? Yeah. The distinguish between salicylic acid and phenol one can use.
Sir, option 3.
Option 3. Yes, anybody?
Option 3.
Any other answer? Any other answer? Option 3, because salicylic acid and also phenol containing phenolic group, right? Nodi. This is OH. This is phenol, right? Then salicylic acid, OH and COH. Now this also can answer, that also answer neutral ferric chloride test. It gives violet color, right? Yeah, both can answer, right? Neutral ferric chloride. Bromine water also it can answer. But sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate. Yes. First option, distinguish test between salicylic acid and phenol. One can use sodium bicarbonate because salicylic acid, it containing carboxylic group. When it is treated with sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3, it gives effervescence easily, quickly. Okay. Therefore, option 1. I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, second question. Which of the following undergoes aldol condensation? First of all, you should know that what is meant by aldol condensation. What is aldol condensation? What is
Sir,
meant by
compounds which are having
Alpha carbon.
Yes.
alpha hydrogen.
alpha? It's not alpha. Yeah. Alpha hydrogen which undergo self-condensation in the presence of base to form aldol. This reaction is called as a aldol condensation. What is the condition for aldol condensation and Cannizzaro reaction?
Cannizzaro
Sir,
reaction should
Cannizzaro
have
is,
no alpha hydrogen.
Cannizzaro reaction. Iವೆರಡು important. They can ask tricky questions. Okay. Aldol condensation ಏನ್ condition ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it must contain
2 alpha hydrogen.
alpha hydrogen.
alpha hydrogen.
But in it undergoes Cannizzaro ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ should not contain, okay, should not contain
Alpha hydrogen.
alpha hydrogen. Then what is meant by alpha hydrogen?
Sir, the hydrogen which is in the adjacent carbon atom of the carbonyl
Functional group.
Adjacent to the carbonyl group. Okay, now I will take one general example. ಯಾವ protein? Acetaldehyde protein. What is the formula of acetaldehyde? CH3CHO, right? ಇದು ನಾನು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. CHH ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, C ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ O H ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಯಾವುದು?
Sir, the left side carbon.
CH3 carbon. This carbon is called as a alpha carbon ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಆ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ?
3
Three.
hydrogen.
These hydrogens are called as a ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ?
Alpha hydrogen.
Alpha hydrogen.
Okay. Yes. Now, one more example, that is HCHO. It contains how many alpha hydrogen? This is called as
No
a
alpha hydrogen.
formaldehyde. It's called as a formaldehyde, right? Here it does not contain alpha hydrogen because C double bond O H. Notice, this is called as a carbonyl. Carbonyl adjacent carbon is called as alpha carbon. To the alpha carbon, number of hydrogen bonds again, that is called as a alpha hydrogen. Okay. One more example. Benzaldehyde. Now tell me how many alpha hydrogen and alpha carbons are there? Benzaldehyde. What is the formula of benzaldehyde?
C6H5OH.
How many alpha carbon and alpha hydrogen?
Sir, 1 alpha carbon and 0 alpha hydrogen.
Here, this carbon is called as a alpha carbon. To this carbon, there is no hydrogen. Okay. Therefore, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ aldol condensation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? It must contain alpha hydrogen.
Hydrogen, alpha hydrogen.
Which contain
A and B.
acetal. One ನಿಮಿಷ before going to discuss and give the full clarification about aldol ಮತ್ತೆ Cannizzaro reaction. Okay. The same questions will repeat in the different manner. Therefore, you must perfect. Yeah. There here acetaldehyde which contain alpha hydrogen, therefore it undergoes aldol condensation. The two aldehydes, that is formaldehyde and benzaldehyde, they do not contain alpha hydrogen, therefore they undergo Cannizzaro reaction. This is the condition. Aldol ಮತ್ತೆ Cannizzaro reaction. I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Here, all of you know that what is the product formation takes place in aldol and Cannizzaro reaction. What is the product in suppose acetaldehyde to undergo aldol condensation? Can you name the product form?
It acetaldehyde.
I will show CH3C double bond O H. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 molecules of aldehydes condensation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ CH2H ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. CH2. Shall I write the next page? Shall I write it in the next page? Otherwise, aldol condensation. CH3 C double bond O H plus I will write it as CH2 H C double bond O H. The 2 molecules of aldehydes. This hydrogen shift here, then e carbon bond. Then I will write it as CH3 C OH double bond is single bond. Then hydrogen I will write below. Then CH2 C double bond. This carbon is called as alpha carbon. This carbon is called as a beta. This carbon is called as a
gamma.
Now this is called as a beta hydroxy. Beta hydroxy or what is IUPAC names?
Sir, 3-hydroxybutanol.
Beta hydroxy butyrolidate, right?
Yes, sir.
Beta hydroxy butyrolidate. Okay. Beta hydroxy butyrolidate. Beta hydroxy butyrolidate. Can you give the IUPAC name of this beta hydroxy butyrolidate? Sometimes they will ask you the what is
3-hydroxybutanol.
Very good. 3-hydroxybutanol. Here, this is unstable molecule. It undergo dehydration with alpha hydrogen jata. Dehydration abuto you get this product CH3 CH double bond
CHO.
because alpha carbon hydrogens are always more acidic in nature. They are ready to leave the that position. Hydrogen, E carbon hydrogen, alpha carbon 1 hydrogen, then adjacent beta carbon OH group combined to form what? This aldehyde is called as proton aldehyde. What is called as a proton aldehyde? What is the IUPAC name of proton aldehyde?
2-butanol.
Tubutinol.
2-but or 2-butinol?
Butinol.
2-butinol. 2-butinol or but-2-enol. You must remember all these things. Or 2-hydroxy. Yeah, 2-hydroxy. 2-hydroxy what? Butanol, right?
2-hydroxybutanol.
Butanol.
Yeah, 2-hydroxybutanol. In IUPAC name, you will not in aldol condensation. I hope it's clear. What is meant by aldol condensation?
So 3-hydroxy.
Yeah, very good.
3-hydroxybutanol.
Very good. There we go. 3-hydroxybutanol. Yes. Fine. This is about aldol condensation. Next, one more. Cannizzaro reaction. Right? It should not contain alpha hydrogen. Take an example. Formaldehyde. HCHO. This undergo self-condensation to give CH3
CHO.
plus HCOO Na. If you take sodium hydroxide, right? This that is called as a sodium salts of carboxylic acid. Sodium salts of carboxylic acid. Here it gives primary alcohol. It is called as a methanol. This is called as a Cannizzaro-Rouse reaction. This reaction is called as a Cannizzaro reaction. But it should not contain alpha hydrogen. This is the condition. The hope is clear. There is a next second on answer.
Sir, option 1, A and B.
Option 1, A and B. Fine. Next, repeat about it. Don't get confused, right? Yeah. Next, formaldehyde reacts with sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide to form
Methyl
option two.
alcohol.
ethyl alcohol instead of KOH. It is nothing but which reaction? Cannizzaro.
Cannizzaro reaction.
Cannizzaro reaction.
What is the another product? Sodium formate.
Sodium salt of
Sodium
carboxylic
formate.
acid.
Of carboxylic acid. But here it is called as a sodium formate. Sodium formate. Yes. Next. Third one here. What is the answer? Second option.
Second option.
Very good. Next. Fourth one. Acetone is used in
Nail
Sir,
Nail
option
polish.
polish.
four.
very good nail polish to remove the nail polish. Yeah, fourth option. Next one. Which of the following gives bitter almond?
Sir, option 3.
No, benzoate. Benzoate gives bitter almond. Not cinnamon. Okay. Next, seventh one. Sorry, sixth one. Yeah. Sixth one. Which of the following? The oxidation of toluene to benzoate by chromyl chloride is called
Retard
Sir,
reaction.
retard reaction.
Third reaction.
Rods reaction. Rods reaction. Correct order of decreasing reactivity of nucleophilic addition in case of formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, and acetone is
Sir, option 2.
option 2. Yeah. Why? Because
Sir, because formaldehyde doesn't undergo nucleophilic addition.
no. Because formaldehyde it easily undergo nucleophilic addition. Decrease because bulky group, all this containing carbonyl group, but formaldehyde does not contain any bulky group to the carbonyl carbon. But acetaldehyde one very thin HCH double bond H. Formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, C double bond O H. Acetone CH3 C double bond O CH. Notice here this contains one bulky group. Here it contains two bulky group. This bulky group which hinders the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Therefore,
The addition reaction, sir.
nucleophilic addition. Yeah, nucleophilic addition reaction. Yeah, nucleophilic addition reaction. Therefore, order of reactivity is formaldehyde, then acetaldehyde, then what? Acetone.
Yes, sir.
If bulky group is there, it hinders the nucleophilic reaction. Option 2. Yeah, option 2. Next, eighth one. Clemmensen reduction will convert cyclohexanone to
N-hexane.
Cyclohexane.
Cyclohexane. What is
Cyclohexane.
reducing agent?
Reduces to hydrocarbons.
No. Can you name the reagent we use in Clemmensen reduction?
Zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl.
Zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl is called as a Clemmensen reducing agent. Here, this is a special reducing agent used to convert this carbonyl group to This group. What is this group?
Methylene group.
Methylene group. Methylene group convert ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ carbonyl group is converted into methylene group ಗೆ convert ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ we use this reagent. You remember always this one. This is the only reducing agent used to convert carbonyl group to methylene group. That means CH2. Wherever it is there. Okay. Here cyclohexanone. Nodi, this is cyclohexanone. This is converted into cyclohexane. That is a cyclohexane. This is cyclohexanone, cyclohexane. So option second. Ninth one. Which of the following will not
Sir, option 2.
Not reduce the spelling solution?
Option 2.
Option 2, very good. Why?
Sir, aldehydes reduce spelling solution, not ketones.
It is a spelling solution, but not ketones. But second one is acetone. Is a ketone. Second option. Yes. 10th one. Base catalyzed aldol condensation occurs with. Andre, you ought to search the aldehyde which contain alpha hydrogen. Aldol condensation. You should write the structure. Then only you can find out the aldehyde which contain alpha hydrogen.
Sir, option 2.
Yes, option 2. Very good. 2-methyl propanoaldehyde. Option 2. Can you tell me the structure? Serena. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This 1, 2, 3. This is 3-methyl propanoaldehyde. This, it contains how many hydrogen? Alpha hydrogen?
1.
Therefore, it was what? Aldol condensation reaction. But other aldehydes which do not contain alpha hydrogen. I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
11th one. Yeah, the change in hybridization which occur when nucleophilic addition occurs to the carbonyl compound is.
Sir, option 3.
What is that? sp2 to sp3. Option 3. Nodi. Here, double bond carbonyl carbon. This double bonded carbon atom is a sp2 hybridization. When it is converted into nucleophilic addition, a double bond it become single bond. Nucleophilic bond single bond. The single bonded carbon is called as a, you know that, sp3 hybridization. Yes. 12th one. Formaldehyde reacts with NH3 to give. I think it is not there. This is called as a hexa. Is there? No, but this question is not there, right? What is the next question?
Sir, question 12.
Yeah, what is the number? Skiff's reagent.
Gives reagent.
Yeah. Skiff's reagent can differentiate between.
Fourth option.
Yeah, is used to distinguish between aldehydes and ketones. Yes. Fourth option. Next 13. Yeah, it's very interesting. Next. Now you have to use all your brain in such reactions. It's very interesting. For me, this type is very interesting. What is A, B, C? ಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೀವು what all you learn in organic chemistry, you have to spend, you have to use, spend, ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yes. What is A here?
Sir, R2CO minus Cn plus.
Or should I write directly? Yeah, beda. Split ಮಾಡಬೇಕು as it is. Or hydrogen H ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ OH ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Sir, Cn ಇದೆ ಕಣ ಸರ್.
ಸಾರಿ ಸೈನೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ,
OHCN.
ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ OHCN OH ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, OH ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ CN. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ B?
Sir, diazonium salt.
No, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾಗೆ, ವಾಟರ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ ತಾನೆ, ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿ ಎನ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟರ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ NH2. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ. ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾನು ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ದಟ್ cyanide groups are converted into what?
Alcohols. Carboxylic
acids. Cyanides on hydrolysis to give carboxylic acids.
Option 2.
So that is option. Yeah, that is alpha amino acids. You know that idol discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ proteins ಅಲ್ಲಿ biomolecules already. This is a alpha amino acids formation. I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Next question number 14. Again, this is also very interesting. Yeah. The end product C of the following reaction. I think this step it is not there. A ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it gives calcium acetate ಬರುತ್ತೆ, CH3 COO Ca
CO2
3CO. This is called as a calcium acetate ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, this on heat ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಸಿಟೋನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ CH3 CO CH3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ CH3 COO Ca CH3 CO. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಕಾರ್ಬನೇಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಕಾರ್ಬನೇಟ್?
CaCO3.
ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಕಾರ್ಬನೇಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಸಿಟೋನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಸಿ NH2OH. What is NH2OH? NH2OH ಅಂದ್ರೆ NH2OH. NH2OH ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Ammonium hydroxide.
hydroxyl amine. Remember, condensation reaction ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಾ? First one NH2OH hydroxyl amine. There are many condensation reaction ಓದಿದ್ರು. NH2 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 ಅಂದ್ರೆ
NH2
hydrogen.
ಹೈಡ್ರಜೀನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಓದಿಲ್ವೇನೋ?
Yes, sir.
ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as phenyl hydrazine.
Hydrogen.
ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ we use in aldehydes and ketones. Two comma 4 comma dinitro
Phenyl hydrazine.
phenyl hydrazine. Phenyl hydrazine ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ OH ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಆ CO ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬೊನೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ NH2OH ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕದು CH3 C double bond O CH3. This is called as acetone plus H2NOH. This is called as hydroxylamine. ಈ ವಾಟರ್, ಈ ಎರಡು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ವಾಟರ್, then it gives this product. The option
acetoxime.
acetoxime.
Option 4.
Acetoxime. Yes, option 4.
4.
Acetoxime. Suppose aldehydes react ಆದ್ರೆ
Acetaldoxime.
acetoxime ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Oxime. Okay. Yes. Suppose simply I will ask her, hydrazine react ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜೋನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕೀಟೋನ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕೀಟೋನ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜೋನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಝೀನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಝೋನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್. ಫಿನೈಲ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜೀನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಫಿನೈಲ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜೋನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕೀಟೋನ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಫಿನೈಲ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜೀನ್, ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಕೀಟೋನ್ ಫಿನೈಲ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜೋನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಝೋನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್. Okay, just go through all the condensation reactions. Yes, yes. Next 16th, 15th ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? 15th, what is the
14th ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್. 15th ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
Yeah, 15th. The 15th is also very interesting. Yeah. NaOH plus CaO. What we call that one?
Soda lime.
Soda lime. What is the use of soda lime? It is act as a decarboxylating agent to remove the carbon dioxide.
Yes, sir.
Right? Carbon dioxide remove. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ A ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Carbon dioxide
Benzene.
react ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So A ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Benzene ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Then B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
Benzyl chloride.
Acetyl chloride. Yes, acetyl chloride. What is the formula of acetyl chloride? CH3COCl.
COCl.
Acetyl chloride. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. Can you name this reaction?
Friedel-Crafts acetylation.
Friedel-Crafts acylation ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Okay, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay, can you name the Friedel-Crafts catalyst? Friedel-Crafts catalyst ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ?
Aluminum chloride.
Anhydrous ಅಂತಾನೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನು anhydrous aluminum chloride. Yeah, B, this is the one. ಇದು acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride. Yeah, this is the B. Next, hydrogen cyanide. ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫಿಲಿಕ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
Sir.
CH3 S OH
OHCl.
Cl. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್. ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
Carboxylic acid will be formed. COOH.
Yeah. Cn is converted to COH. D ಇದೆಯಾ? ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್? Which option? Fourth one. ಆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. You don't worry about that. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಡಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿ? ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಥರೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಹಾಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಹ್ಯಾಲೋ ಆಲ್ಕೇನ್ಸು, ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ಸ್, ಫಿನಾಲ್ಸ್, ಈಥರ್ಸು, ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ಸ್, ಕೀಟೋನ್ಸು, ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅದು
Amines.
ಅಮೈನ್ಸ್. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ತರೋ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 16. A new carbon-carbon bond formation is possible in
Sir, Friedel-Crafts reaction.
Friedel-Crafts reaction. ಈ ತರ ಹೇಳ್ದಲ್ವಾ? Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. ಹೌದಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ? Friedel-Crafts alkylation ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ aromatic compound reacts with what? R X, right?
Sir, even in Reimer-Tiemann reaction also, no, sir?
Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Reimer-Tiemann reaction ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Phenol is converted into
Salicylaldehyde.
salicylaldehyde. Reimer-Tiemann reaction.
Yes, sir. Even in Cannizzaro reaction also, sir.
Cannizzaro ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
2 formaldehyde will form.
ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್
No,
ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
no, not Cannizzaro. No, not Cannizzaro. Friedel-Crafts and Reimer-Tiemann.
Acid reduction ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Reimer-Tiemann, a new carbon-carbon bond formation is possible. New carbon-carbon ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? OR ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ನ್ಯೂ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್-ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ನೀನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದು? OH CHO. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ OH ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್?
Yes,
ಬಟ್
sir.
ಬಟ್ ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನ್ಯೂ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್-ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
Sir, ಮತ್ತೆ Friedel-Crafts reaction ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಹಂಗೆ ತಾನೆ ಸರ್ ಬರೋದು?
ಅದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ CO ಕಾರ್ಬನೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾರ್ಬನೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್-ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Give more priority for this one. Even though if it is carbon atra, but here it have to consider the function group. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir.
Fine, there is next question. 17. Yeah. 17. A colorless water-soluble organic liquid decomposes sodium bicarbonate and liberate carbon dioxide in presence of it produces black precipitate with Tollens reagent. The liquid is
Acetaldehyde.
first option acetaldehyde. It is nothing but Tollens test ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
Tollens test ಆಗುತ್ತೆ acetaldehyde. Next question. Acid do not give do not give the characteristic reactions of CO group because of
The resonance.
not resonance, because dimerization. Because dimer ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
Acids ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ C, double bond O H. Sorry, carboxylic acid. Single bond. OH. Then COO double bond O. This is one carboxylic acid, right? I will write another carboxylic acid or C double bond OH. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ there is a formation of hydrogen bond. ಈ ತರ hydrogen bond formation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, that is called as a
Dimerization.
Then two molecules combine to form a single molecule. That is called as a dimerization. Trimerization is three molecules combine to form only one molecule. That is called as a trimerization. That is option number 1. What did you know?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Question answer I have written. Yes, sir.
And question number 18.
18. One nala.
First option. Yes, sir.
Next. Which of the following is the strongest acid? Yeah, this I need to explain. This is 19. 19. I will explain everything.
Sir, option 4.
No. Here, a little bit I will explain. Here, you remember is electron releasing group and electron withdrawing group. You know that, right?
Yes, sir.
Electron releasing group, which effect? What positive
SI.
SI effect. Electron withdrawing group is called as a negative inductive effect. Here I will give us a little bit deep explanation about this one. You know that HCOOH. What is HCOOH?
Formic acid.
It's formic acid. Next to CH3, COOH, acetic acid. Yes. Next to benzoic acid. What is the formula of benzoic?
C6H5COOH.
In these three, which one is more acidic? My first.
Sir, benzoic acid.
Very good. Next, second one, we compare ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. Chloroacetic acid. Yeah. Chloroacetic acid. CH2 COOH. COOH, chloroacetic acid. Then dichloroacetic acid. What is the formula of dichloroacetic acid?
C2CHCOOH.
COOH. Next to trichloroacetic acid.
Cl3CCOOH.
Trichloroacetic acid. Next, ಈ ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ನಂದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೂರೋಅಸಿಟಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್. Yes.
COOH.
Yeah. Bromoacetic acid. Then iodoacetic acid. ICH2COOH. Right? I hope it's clear. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, my question is, in the first one, which one is more acidic?
Sir, C6H5COOH.
No, the order of acidic is formic acid is more acidic than acetic acid. Acetic acid is more acidic than benzoic acid. This is more acidic. This is less acidic. Yakendre, you know that methyl group is an electron releasing group, right? Electron release ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ electron density and oxygen ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore it does not leave hydrogen easily due to plus I effect. Therefore it is less acidic. I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
But in this case, phenyl group is an electron withdrawing group. This is called as a minus I effect, this group. It withdraws electron.
Sir, withdraws electron means strengthens the acid, no, sir?
Yeah, if the benzoic acid is electron withdrawing, phenyl group is electron withdrawing group. Therefore, this is a strong acid. It decreases electron density here. Therefore, it is strong acid. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
C6H5OH.
C6H5OH, then
CH3COH, then formic acid.
formic acid, then acetic acid. Which one is more acidic? First one. This more acidic ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then this is the one. Then this is the third. Electron releasing group decreases the acidic strength. Electron withdrawing group increases the acidic strength. That's all. I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, in this three, which one is more acidic? This is monochloroacetic acid, second one. No? Illi
Sir, trichloroacidic acetic acid.
trichloroacetic acid is more acidic than dichloroacetic acid. Dichloroacetic acid is more acidic than monochloroacetic acid. Yake? What is the reason? There are three electron withdrawing groups. Chlorine, halogens are electron withdrawing groups. Therefore, it increases the acidic strength. There are three chlorines. Next, that is the reason. That means increase the number of electron withdrawing group increases the acidity. This is the statement. You must know.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next, in this third one, which one is more acidic?
Sir, ICH2COOH.
See, all the halogens, which one is more electronegative?
Fluorine.
Yeah, fluorine is more electronegative. Therefore, this hydrogen can liberate easily. Howda? Therefore, it is more acidic. Iodine is less acidic. Iodine is less electronegative. Therefore, iodoacetic acid is less acidic in nature. I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
So, in the third statement, higher the electronegativity, stronger the acid. I hope it's clear. Higher the electronegativity, stronger the acid. Second one, no, more the number of electron withdrawing group, stronger the acid. Second one, no. First one, ಏನು ಕೊಡಬಹುದು? Electron withdrawing group increases the acidity, electron releasing groups decreases the acidity. This statement, it is very, very, very important. That is called as a concept. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೆನಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir.
ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಯಾ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 19th ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
3, third one. No, first one.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈ ತರ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ question. Benzoic acid gives benzene on heating with X and phenol gives benzene on heating with Y. Therefore, X and Y respectively.
Option 4, sir.
Yes, very good. Option 4, soda lime and zinc dust. 28 ಅಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir.
4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ soda lime ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Sodium hydroxide and
NaOH and CaO.
ಇದು that is called as a soda lime. ಅದು benzoic acid ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೋಡಿ,
Yes, sir.
ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ? Let me, nobody is asking any doubts. Only one person is interacting. Yeah, this is benzoic acid, right? Benzoic acid is converted to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Benzene ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Phenol is converted into
Benzene.
ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವುದು ಜಿಂಕ್ ಜೊತೆ ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೆ, ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ಸ್ ಫೀನಾಲ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ. ಇದು ಸೋಡಾ ಲೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೋಡಾ ಲೈಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ NaOH plus calcium oxide is called as a soda lime. It acts as a decarboxylating agent. It removes the carbon dioxide. Yes, next 21. Which of the following is the strongest acid?
Sir, option 1.
Yes, very good. Option 1 is the strongest acid. Next. When 2-hydroxy benzoic acid is distilled with zinc dust, it gives
Benzoic acid.
yes, benzoic acid. 2-hydroxy benzoic acid, what is the name? Another name?
Salicylic acid.
Yes, very good. When salicylic acid is distilled with zinc dust, what is the product? Okay, be ready for that. Right? So 22nd year,
2.
23rd year. Which of the following compound is used for coagulating rubber latex? That is formic acid. That is called as a latex coagulating agent and a precipitating agent. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this formic acid is added to latex in order that it's collected from the rubber plant. Particles are very small. After adding this formic acid, all the particles comes closer and gets precipitated. Gatti agutte. Okay. Yavadu formic acid. Formic acid is good. Yes. Next one. Which of the following acid has the smallest dissociation constant?
Sir, option 2.
Smallest dissociation constant.
Option.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಟು ದ ಕಾರ್ಬನೈಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನೈಲ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ. CH3 CH F COOH ಇದೊಂದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ F CH2
CH2COOH.
COOH. Yeah. Next ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್.
Sir, in the place of F, Br.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ Br CH2 COOH. Next ಇಲ್ಲಿ CH3, CH
HBr.
Br, CH2, COH. Now you tell me. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಇದು ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನೈಲ್ ಗೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇದು ಬೀಟಾ, ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಬೀಟಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಬೀಟಾ, ಆಲ್ಫಾ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೀಟಾ.
Sir, idu last one CH3, CHBr, COH, no sir.
ನಾಲ್ಕು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನಾಲ್ಕು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್,
3 carbon.
ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? 4 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. CH, ಹೌದಾ? ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes sir.
ನಾವು ಇದು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಬೀಟಾ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆಲ್ಫಾ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. ಯಾ, ನಾವು see the halogens. When halogen which is bonded to alpha carbon, it is more acidic. You got my point?
Yes sir.
The halogen which is bonded to alpha carbon, which is more acidic. 1 point. Second point, see the electronegativity of the halogen. Which one is more electronegative?
Fluorine.
Fluorine. Yes. Now you got my point. I hope you got the clue. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡಿಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಡಿಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹೈ.
Sir, option 3.
Option, yeah.
3.
Option 3, correct. Option 3, 24 alone. Yeah, very good. Ivaga, this option, this is first option, this is second option, this is third option. This is far away from the alpha carbon, therefore dissociation agutta slow agutta. Avaga dissociation constant is also less. Yes. Next. Can you arrange one more question? One more question I will frame in the same question. Which one is more acidic and which one is less acidic?
First one.
Yes, first one is more acidic. Which one is least acidic?
Sir, third one.
Yeah, third one is least acidic. Can you arrange in the decreasing order of acidic strength?
Decreasing order. Sir, first one, second one, fourth one, third one.
Decreasing, decreasing order.
First one, fourth one.
Then 1.
4.
Oh, no. Yeah, 4 agutala near. Okay, 4. Next
2, 3. 1, 4, 2, 3.
2, then
3.
This is all. Decreasing anta kelbodu, increasing anta gottagodu, but you have to understand the concept. That's all. I hope it's clear. Yeah. Next question. Yeah, which tests are given by both formaldehyde and formic acid?
Sir, option 4.
Option 4, all of this. Okay. 25th. All of this can answer. 26th. How many questions are there?
Still
48.
46.
46. Okay. Yeah. Next. Next. Dimerization of benzoic acid is due to. Direct question.
Option 2.
Dimerization, intermolecular hydrogen bond. Next, salicylic acid is dash acidic than benzoic acid.
More acidic.
More acidic. Salicylic acid is more acidic than benzoic acid because addition of OH group.
OH group.
Next, urea reacts with phenylhydrazine to give phenylhydrazine. That is called as a semi carbazide ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. That is called as a semi carbazide ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. First option, urea. What is the formula of urea?
NH2CO.
NH2 is called as a urea. This is called as a urea. Urea reacts with what? Phenyl with hydrazine, right? With hydrazine. What is the formula of hydrazine? ಈಗ ತಾನ ಬರ್ದಿದೆ. Hydrazine. ಇದೇನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ? NH2 C double bond N NH2 NH2. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ H2 ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಸೆಮಿ ಕಾರ್ಬಜೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೆಮಿ ಕಾರ್ಬಜೈಡ್. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next. 29. Right. Yes. Next. In sentence, can you guess? RCOH. You know.
PCl5.
And K potassium cyanide is subject to hydrolysis followed by Clemmensen reduction. The product is final ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಏನಂತ Clemmensen reduction ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
Hydrocarbon.
Carbonyl group to what?
Hydrocarbon.
CH2 ಮೆಥಿಲಿನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ CN ಇರುತ್ತೆ. CN ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೈನೈಡ್ ನ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವೆರಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬೇಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. You can easily find out.
Option 2.
Yes, very good. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೋಡಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. So no, there is interacting. I want more number of participants and interaction. And it will be more interesting. Yeah. First RCOOH ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು PCl5 ಜೊತೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ PCl5 ಜೊತೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? RCOCl ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್? RCOCl ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಏನ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ? ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಸೈನೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಸೈನೈಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. CN ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ O ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? This are treating with this hydrolysis ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ CN ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? COOH ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲೆಮೆನ್ಸನ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? RCH2 COOH ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆಯಾ ಆಪ್ಷನ್? ಯಾವುದು? Yes, sir. Second option. So, ನೋಡಿ, instead of writing all those things, if you remember, hydrolysis cyanide ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಸೈನೈಡ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೂ, ಕ್ಲೆಮೆನ್ಸನ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲೆಮೆನ್ಸನ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ CH2 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. This is all the shortcut method to find out the answer. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರಿತಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾನ? ಯಾರು ಮೇಘನಾಥ ಶಿವ ಇಬ್ರು
ಸರ್
ಯಾವ ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇನಪ್ಪ?
ನಾನು ಶಿವ.
ಶಿವ
ಮೇಘನಾಥ್.
ಇಬ್ರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸೈನೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್. ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಕ್ಲೆಮೆನ್ಸೆಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ CO ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು CH2 ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ, ಬ್ರೈನ್, ನಾಟ್ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜೋಕಿಂಗ್. ಏನು ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಎನಿ, ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ದಟ್, ಹೌದಾ? ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಎನಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಓದಿರ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ, ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂಥರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಸ್, next one, yeah, next also same type. This is also very interesting. PCl5 same type.
Sir, option 4.
Yes, very good. Option 4, same method follow ಮಾಡಿ, you will get right. Then first option or CH3COCl ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ? 30th ಗೆ ಬರಿದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. 30th ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A is CH3COCl. A. What is the B? B is
C6H6 CH3.
reaction ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ?
Friedel-Crafts.
Friedel-Crafts oscillation. Yes. Next ಯಾವುದು?
Grignard reagent.
Reagent followed by hydrolysis ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, hydrolysis ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you will get what? Option CH3 C
Tertiary alcohol.
H OH plus what? C6H5. This is called as a tertiary alcohol. Yeah, 30th option. Yes, calcium formate heating yields.
Formaldehyde.
Yes, calcium formate on heating to give formaldehyde. ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಟ್? HCOO CA HCO. This is called as a calcium formate ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. This on heat ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, yes, HCHO formaldehyde plus what you will get? CaCO, calcium carbonate. This is called as a calcium formate. Yeah. Yeah. Next question.
32.
In the following reaction, product P is 32.
Yes, sir.
Option 3, sir.
Yes, very good. Now you yeah, reduction alva. Yeah. Option 3. Yes. Next, in Rosemond's reaction, Rosemond's reaction.
Sir, option 4.
Yeah, that is
Option 4.
option. Acid chlorides are reduced to aldehydes.
Aldehydes.
Okay, aldehydes ಆಗಿ convert ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. CHO. The catalyst used, Rosemond's catalyst is called as a palladium with barium sulfate. Barium sulfate is 33, but the answer 4. 34. Yes. The oxidation of toluene to benzodiazide by chromyl chloride is called.
Option
Option
3
three.
is third reaction.
Chana, what is your answer? Yes, you want this type of answer. Yes, benzodiazide can be prepared by hydrolysis of
Sir,
benzodiazide.
option 4.
No, that is called as a first option. That is called as a benzol. Notice, this is called as a benzol. CCl, ClH. This is called as a what? This is called as a benzol. Benzol chloride. Serena. Benzol chloride. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಆ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಬದಲು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? OH ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, OH ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, H ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮೊದಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನಂತ?
2 OH groups is unstable, so dehydration takes place.
Dehydration takes place, right? Andre same carbon ಮೇಲೆ 2 OH groups are unstable. There is a fight between 2 OH group, then there is a removal of water molecules, right? Then it gives what? CHO. Yes. Howda?
Yes,
You
sir.
have to remember this one. For the same carbon, 2 OH group there's a fight between 2 OH group. Then there is a removal of water molecules takes place to give carbonyl compound. That means aldehydes. Bad. I think. Yeah. Yeah. Bad. Joke. Yeah. Next question. The carbonyl compounds undergo nucleophilic addition because of.
Sir, option 1.
Yes, option 1.
Sir, option 2.
No. Option electronegativity difference of carbon and oxygen. First option. Electromeric effect. This. Next. 37. 37. Yeah. Which of the following reagent reacts differently with formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, and acetone? Option 4. Option 4 ammonia. ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But ammonia, it gives different products when react with all these compounds. Okay. Next. 38. Yeah. 1-phenyl ethanol can be prepared by the reaction of benzodiazide with 1-phenyl ethanol. You should know that structure of 1-phenyl ethanol. Ethanol. 1-phenyl ethanol. Yes, this is the structure of 1-phenyl ethanol. Sari idya? ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ನಾನು ಕವರ್ ಕೈ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ? I'll write CH3 C yeah H OH. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದು 1 ಫಿನೈಲ್ ಎಥನಾಲ್, ಇದು ಎಥನಾಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. CH3 CH2 OH ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಎಥನಾಲ್. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಫಿನೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದೆ, 1 ಫಿನೈಲ್ ಎಥನಾಲ್. ಯಾ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ನೌ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. 1 phenyl ethanol can be prepared by the reaction of benzaldehyde with benzaldehyde.
Ethyl iodide and magnesium.
Benzaldehyde with ಇದು benzaldehyde, right? ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು? methyl iodide magnesium, ಹೌದಾ? methyl magnesium iodide ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir.
methyl magnesium CH3 MgI. ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ಬೈ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ಬೈ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್, ಇದು ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ಬೈ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ದ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್. ಎಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್? ಬರ್ತೀವಿ
Option 4.
38 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 4. Shall I stop at this stage? Need a time. Right now, you know how many questions are there?
No, 9 questions.
Can we discuss in the next class?
No, not 9. 8 questions, sir.
Sir? We stop at this stage. We can discuss in the next class.
Yes, sir.
Almost covered some of the important questions, tricky questions. Right? Sarina?
Yes, sir.
In the next class, which means in the next week, amines, biomolecules. Third chapter are almost organic complete adangagutte. Right?
Yes, sir.
Just go through.
Organic ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು thermodynamics ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್?
Thermodynamics ಯಾವುದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಾವು?
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್.
ಹಾ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮೋರ್ ವೈಟೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ದನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್. ಸರಿನಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಯಾವುದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಸರಿನಾ? ಯು ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್. ನೀವು ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ದೇ ಮಿಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್. ನೀವು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ಸರಿನಾ?